Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today we're going to be looking at the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig. So I am just getting into starting to build things with wood, and this was something that I knew I needed just because I hate the way that I attach most of my wood together. So if you don't know what this pocket hole jig is, what it basically is going to do is it's going to allow you to drill holes into your wood that look something like this here. So these are different holes that I already drilled using it just to see how it works. There's 3 different size measurements we could use with this jig below. What's nice is it drills in and then you put your wood on top and you can just zip a screw in there on top of this. So the manual has a lot of nice things in it that explains the different types of measurements you're going to have, but what's cool here is you have these 2 parts here. These actually come apart, but I'm not going to take them apart right now. They snap apart, so you could use one at a time or you could use it with this spacer. It also has your measurements here. You see you have a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1.5 inch. And to make those changes, it's pretty easy. You just push down this part and you slide this. And I use both my hands like a normal person. Just pull that. And there's a little clip that it catches on here each time you change your measurement. So when you want to actually make your holes and cuts on the wood, you would just go ahead and move these down. And then that sits right on the back of your piece of wood. That way you can drill straight into it. So the other things that come in here is you actually have this bit here. This is the Easy Drill Set bit. It has the stopper here as well. So you can see the stopper on the end. You just put this in and loosen that, and that comes off. But you can see here that there are different measurements there. So whatever measurement we're going to go with here, if it's 1/2 inch, we change the drill bit here to 1/2 inch. So you just put this on. It's got a little circle there to center everything up, and then you just tighten it down. So I've already used this a couple times, and it really ensures that you're getting the right measurements. The other really neat thing here, you can, when you're going to be putting this in the drill, you're going to want to clamp this down onto your wood using a clamp, but they have this easy connector. You can see on the bottom there, that's going to fit right into one of those holes, and you put that in there, and then you put your clamp in if you'd like. And it clamps it down nice and hard. So I'm going to show you actually what it looks like to do some of the drilling. The other nice thing with this kit specifically, you get 2 little boxes of screws. So you get this indoor outdoor, there's 20 in here, and then this is an indoor pocket hole screws, there's 20 in here as well. So that comes with this kit. This kit's just under $40, I think. I'll put a link down below if you'd like to purchase that, but it's a great kit. They do have different models of this. They have a much bigger one that's over $100. I think they have some single ones. So if you go to Home Depot, you can find all of that. Also on Amazon, which I'll be linking down below. Like I said, the manual has everything you need to start to figure out how to use this. So let me show you what it looks like to get it set up and drill. So here I am with my setup. I'm just going to use a piece of wood I already used. So again, we have the stoppers here on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and put that. So you would place this wherever you think you're going to make your hole. I'm going to actually end up using this left side here. So I've placed that on. I'm going to go ahead and grab my clamp, and I'm just going to clamp it down on the top in place so I have it nice and secure to the back there. I'm clamping this part on. And I have to say that doing this a few times already, it's extremely easy. So I'm just going to readjust this so that it's directly on that 1/2, or actually I'm going to go to 3/4. The wood that I'm cutting is 3/4, so all the measurements I'm using, it wants me to do that 3/4. I'm going to go ahead and throw it in my drill there. And I have my drill set at the 14, but I can show you just how easy this is. So I'm just going to go ahead and get in my hole here, slip it in. To the end, I'm going to back it out. And now if I pop off the clamp, a little bit of dust in there, blow that out, and there you go. You got your pocket hole screwed in there, and it's the exact same measurement. You can see right away these 2 are both 3/4, so they're even. So it gives you very nice even cuts when you're doing this. Like I said, this is a great little tool if you're going to be doing some woodwork. You want to be able to screw things up there and not have to worry about the different types of ways that you can attach boards together. This is what you immediately need. It's the Kreg jig. The link down below. As always, I want to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We'll see you next time.